Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove or unshare sharing folder and drive in Windows 7. Right-click Computer, Manage. Expand Shared Folder. Click Shares. B drive and users folders are shared. Other shared folder and drives are default share. Right-click the shared folder, click Properties. Click Sharing tab. Click Advanced Sharing. Uncheck Share the folder. Click Apply, OK. Right-click Shared Drive, click Properties. Click Sharing tab. Click Advanced Sharing. Uncheck Share this folder. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.